I think quality, selection, talking to customers, staying out of the office, handing out catalogs, meeting people, it's growing. It's constantly growing.
Just interacting with the customers, having everyone look at our cool stuff, our show van, and also our main prize is the bike.
And this is a Paul Jr. Designs bike, and Paul Jr. was here signing autographs for 2 hours. My favorite part about the show is how busy it is. There's constant foot traffic going by our booth. People are constantly here at all times, and it's just high energy.
I've been coming to this show for a long time, actually. I think it was in the mid-90s probably. I've been suffering, and now down here. Love to come here every year. It's a great show.
We've been coming here and supporting the show since 2013. Started over there in a small booth in a little corner, and here we are today. Actually, even from last year to this year, we doubled in size of our booth. This is a great market for us, really good attendees. It's a really awesome show.
We're a long-time supporter of this organization. We've been coming to here in New Jersey since they came here about 10, 11 years ago, and prior to that we were also at the Rockland show. Actually, I said this yesterday, part of it is just getting to see everybody, old friends, that's good, but it's also nice to show off our wares. I love it. Actually, we help promote the show. We send tickets to everybody. We like to get as many people here as we can.
It's been good. It keeps growing each year. And now with this year, they added the lower level and stuff, so it keeps getting bigger and bigger. And our booth size has even gotten much larger. It's been good. They're having good seminars, so a lot of classes, things people can learn from. So it's been very good for us.
This is my 3rd year here at the show. I always enjoy working it. It's always a lot of nice people here. It's always great to see the shops that you work with as well. I do a lot of training and service work at a lot of local shops, but we also work nationally from coast to coast. So it's also nice to see guys from down south, Florida area, North Carolina, Texas, coming up here to the Northeast show just to say hi, check out new equipment, and see what it's all about.
This is our 4th year that we've displayed our product lines up here. It gives you the ability to interact with not only the shop owners, the MSOs, and the manufacturer. Each year it seems like it's growing and there's more and more exhibitors and people attending.
For me, the favorite part is seeing new product in here, learning about it, meeting new people, you know, see what's going on in here. There is more people coming here, there's more product to see. People coming by my booth asking about the product that we're selling.
Well, first of all, I've been involved with auto body all my life. I've been with this show since the start, and this is one of the best shows in the country. And we get such a fantastic turnout of shop owners that really want to come out and see the latest, newest innovations in the industry so they can help themselves increase their business and productivity. That's the way it works.